Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, we'll make simple milk masks to smooth wrinkles and brighten the skin. Let's get started. First recipe, nourishing and smoothing. 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of milk. Milk is rich in vitamins, proteins, and natural acids. It hydrates the skin, smooths fine lines, and gently brightens, making it perfect for mature or tired skin. Half teaspoon of honey. Mix well. Benefits: this mask deeply nourishes the skin, softens texture, and gives a smooth, radiant finish. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty secrets that truly work. Second recipe, brightening and spot reducing. A small amount of raw potato, finely grated. 2 teaspoons of milk. Mix well. Benefits: this blend helps reduce pigmentation and evens out skin tone. How to use: apply to your face and décolleté. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then finish with cool water. Use regularly to fade dark spots and refresh your skin. Friends, comment below and tell us, where are you watching from? Third recipe, revitalizing and refreshing. A little fresh tomato, finely grated. One teaspoon of milk. Mix well. Benefits: this mask refreshes tired skin, tightens pores, and adds a healthy glow. How to use: apply an even layer to clean skin, face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe, rejuvenating and stimulating. 1 teaspoon of brewer's yeast. Enough milk to form a paste. Mix well. Benefits: boosts skin regeneration, improves tone and elasticity. How to use: apply the paste to face, neck, and chest. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week for a firm, refreshed look. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More glow-boosting recipes are coming soon. Fifth recipe, brightening treatment. 1 tablespoon of milk. A few drops of lemon juice. Mix well. Benefits. This mask gently brightens the skin, but is best for normal, non-sensitive skin. How to use: apply carefully to clean skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with warm water, then cool. Use once or twice a week. Avoid if your skin is irritated or reactive. Sixth recipe: detox and glow. 1 tablet of spirulina crushed into powder. One teaspoon of milk. Mix well. Benefits: this mask helps detoxify the skin, tighten pores, and boost natural glow. How to use: apply evenly to clean face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.